All right, we got her back into her car. She's super thrilled, so why don't you tell them how thrilled you are?
Very.
All right, she doesn't talk much on camera. So right now we're just taking her for a bit of a warm-up. It's the day before Thanksgiving. She could not wait till tomorrow to have this drive. So there's traffic on the interstate, police enforcement everywhere, so we're going to try to stay on back roads and just a nice easy drive for now. But once it's warmed up, she is going to stab it at least once, maybe twice. On the previous video, I went down the list of mods that she's done to the car that she's very happy with. Go down the list of your mods. To start with, what is the car and what are its mods?
2015 Golf, 1.8 liter. I've been told it's a launch edition, but sometimes it comes up as just the regular S model.
I think it is a launch edition. And it's 2 doors. We always forget to say 2 doors.
Yeah.
And 2 doors were discontinued, I think, in 2016.
I think either the tail end of 2016 or the very beginning of 2017.
Yeah, so this is not a rare car, but it is probably less abundant. As time goes on, they will become fewer.
Kind of minor. It was the first mod that I did to it. I did a turbo muffler delete and I think it was an ECS induction hose going to the turbo inlet. Following a deployment last year, during the deployment, I racked up a lot of car parts. I ordered coilovers to the house. I ordered headlights to the house. As soon as I came back, I installed said coilovers and headlights, and then we took a trip to see Jake Baun in South Carolina for a front-mounted intercooler install. Later on down the road, he also installed one of his old axleback exhausts, or the axleback portion of his old exhaust, since he had recently gotten another Jake Baun exhaust. It's got a stage 3 daily South Bend clutch, and now it has an IS20 turbo. I think that's it.
Yep, I also had mentioned the wheels.
Oh, yeah.
What are they? I forget.
They're Durbans.
Durbans, that's right. Volkswagen Durbans. They were commonplace on the Mk7 Jetta TDIs, perhaps on the wagons.
They're on the Mk7, just regular.
Oh, I said
Jettas
Mk7,
well.
didn't I? I meant Mk6.
They come on Mk7 Jettas as well.
Do they? Okay. So, a very, very good looking wheel, especially in the gunmetal gray. And she's got various stickers worth a horsepower or 2 apiece. Got the
Black Forest Industries
shift knob.
We've also got one of their limited edition Harlequin shift knobs.
Oh yeah.
That I also picked up with Spain money.
She puts that on for car shows.
I do.
And that is about it.
Yep. I was about to use that. I still tried to use it.
Yep. I have not enjoyed backing your car with no mirror and no camera. The camera has made me soft and weak sauce driver.
It spoiled you.
All right, we'll be back. All right, we're back out. So now we're going to jump on the road, and I think let you hit it as you leave. All right, I'm gonna put my head back so you don't give me whiplash.
Okay. I didn't think it would be that bad.
No, it won't be. You don't have enough traction for it to be that bad.
No. Am I stabbing it now?
Sure.
Oh, that's great.
And right there is where they sit and hide. They'll sit there, or they'll sit right there around this thing, because that's not a neighborhood. And there's a 55, but they'll hit you for doing 40 or for 55 back there.
That's great.
So you liked it?
Yes.
It did grip a little better on this surface than it had been where I was.
Can I do another pull?
Sure. That noise, I guess it's the exhaust flow. I'm not used to hearing that. I didn't notice it.
Hearing what?
It's a flow sound. So it's kind of cool.
Well, like when I let off the throttle?
No, when you're in it, it's just a different tone. All right, so we're losing light here. I'm gonna go ahead and call it quits. What do you think? Are you happy? So the car runs, it's stronger, it sounds good, the engine is cleaner, it rides like crap, but she loves it.
Rude.
So, all right, any closing thoughts? All right. A woman of many words. All right, see you next time. Anyway, I said something about your B14's riding nice and smooth because I was on a road like this. So it almost feels about the same as mine. And then I got on the Colonial Parkway.
Yeah, and you hit a
like
bump.
that, and I was like, oh no.
Yeah.
No, these are pretty terrible.
Yeah, they're kind of stiff. I like the way they ride though.